At the same time, you need to find why you want to start a software company. So the first thing is really what you can bring as a new software company that is different from the others. So is it specified support that you can give to a specific niche of the market? Is it some kind of specific like talent you can bring that no other software company has? Or are you more just of a generalist? So what is your unique value proposition when you're coming to find new clients? This is really something that's going to help you stand out from the competition. Also, do market research to research who are your potential clients and who are your potential competitors. And the next thing is how you want to basically distribute your product, right? If you're creating a software company and you have a CRM for a marketing agency or something, you will not target it the same way with ads than you would target a bigger company that does retail, right? So really finding your different distribution points is really the key when you're selling a software.